again. Well, we told you we were going to melt crayons with hair dryers. We did. You want to see it? This is the finished product. Shazam! Looks pretty cool. Took a long time and quite a bit of wax on somebody's hands.
Yeah, it kind of hurt. It feels like the hot wax you get like on your eyebrows, you know?
If you're a guy, you don't know what we're talking about.
It kind of hurts when it gets on your arm. So don't let it get on your arm.
This took maybe, get out of the shot, maybe like, 20 minutes at the most.
Yeah.
We didn't really keep time. But it makes a mess if you don't do things right. You see she's cleaning it. Yeah. Not that hard to do if you want to do it yourself. It's just get a box of 48 crayons or 2 or however many crayons you want. Get a piece of cardstock, glue them on, hot glue, regular glue, tape, I don't care. Get a hairdryer and sit there for 20 minutes just blowing away. Yeah.
I have a colorful sponge now.
Colorful sponge. Well, hope you enjoyed our staggered little video here. Awesome. I'll see you later, guys. Yeah. All right. Bye.